Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of 333 News. So, today, on 333 News, we are going to report some grim milestones that have been reached by the coronavirus, along with something that we are predicting as it continues to spread. And also, we will include a forecast for the next few days for the eastern area of Massachusetts, because I think that would be very important right now, especially considering other worldwide events. So, let's get into it. First, we are to report that the coronavirus has officially topped 1 million cases worldwide. That's a lot. And it has done that faster than the swine flu outbreak from Mexico. And that is a very not good thing. Or very bad thing, is what I was trying to say. Anyways, we are having to report that there are over 1 million total cases worldwide of coronavirus now. Now, that may not be a good thing, but remember to look on the big picture here. So, there have been outbreaks that have been far worse before, and coronavirus has not reached that level yet, and we can prevent it from ever reaching that level by practicing social distancing. I really want to emphasize that, because there are people who still do not take such advice, despite the number of times that officials have recommended it. So we really want to emphasize practice social distancing, because that's the only way we will get through this. And also remember to wash your hands too. That's important. Alright, next up, the US is predicted to hit at least 200,000, or actually at most 200,000 deaths countrywide because of the predicted curve of the coronavirus. That is what officials are predicting because of the current trend right now, but hopefully that won't happen. And what is a better prediction? The fact that the US is at 240,000 cases now. It is a possibility that the United States alone could hit 300,000 coronavirus cases total. Now, we are starting to see a spike in the recoveries from the coronavirus, along with a spike in the number of cases. So, I'm not sure how to feel about that, because it is both a good thing and a bad thing that the recovery rate and the infection rate are speeding up. So, the only thing that this could mean is that the coronavirus will go by the country faster now. So, yep. Now, we are going to do a quick weather update, and we are going to take it to Wario, who is on the scene, with the current weather, what it's like outside. So, over to you, Wario. Yes, thank you, Frank. So, if you take a look outside the window here, it is currently raining, and there are some minor wind gusts out there right now. And from what I've heard, it is supposed to get worse. And right now, it doesn't look too bad. Just some rain and a little bit of wind. So, what is the worst harm that this can do? Got no idea other than making things wet out there. And the wind isn't doing too much right now, but I do fear that based on what I have heard, it will do a lot worse later on. So, yeah. And also, WW has officially made their first face mask, and they will be releasing a tutorial next time we have a 333 News update. So, yeah. That's basically all I've got. Back over to you, Frank. Right. So, yes, WW is working on the development of face masks, and they plan to do a tutorial that will be released to the public when they are able to successfully create the best possible face mask. Right now, WW has currently completed the creation of one face mask, which means they are making progress in living up to their standards. Now, back to the weather. We do have to issue a coastal flood warning for eastern Massachusetts tomorrow, Friday, throughout the day until like 11 p.m. Because throughout tonight, winds will get stronger and it will be quite rainy, and we will expect to see a little bit of inches of rain, as if you know what I mean. Like, it will pile up, there will be a lot of rain, it will be constantly raining, until we get to Saturday. So I will post up a forecast right now on the screen, and I'll be back in 30 seconds. So I am actually still here, and as you can tell by this low quality image, there will be lots of rain on Thursday through Saturday, although it will calm down on Saturday. And we will be seeing temperatures in the 40s until Monday. And as you can clearly see, winds will be strongest on Friday with gusts that could go up to like 60 miles an hour. So, yep, that's your 5-day outlook for today through Monday. Alright, so, that is the regional forecast for Massachusetts, based on the storm system that is incoming. And, as you can tell, there will be a lot of rain, and the winds will increase, gusting up to 50 miles an hour, and even up to 60 when you get into the Cape and Islands. So, we do advise you to stay indoors, especially because the winds can be pretty damaging if they get up to 60 miles an hour. And the other reason to stay indoors is because of the whole coronavirus thing worldwide. So, yes, you should stay indoors for multiple reasons now for the next few days. And also, please make sure you practice social distancing, otherwise, we're never going to get through this coronavirus case. Oh my goodness, I keep doing that. We're never going to get through this whole coronavirus pandemic. So, yes. That is it for 333 News for now. This is Frank, signing off. See you next time.